Hi family, welcome back to another one. We have a fun workout here for you today. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be quick, and you'll be here with us. I got the dream team here, Coach Rachel, Coach Jake, Coach Ivana, and Coach Courtney here to show y'all how it's done. Today we got 5 exercises for y'all. We'll do each exercise 4 times in a row, and each exercise you'll be doing 30 seconds of work and just 10 seconds of rest in between. So be prepared to work. And we're only going once around, so easy money, y'all. For our first exercise, starting strong, we got some burpees here. Starting strong, we're gonna hop at the top, sprawl down, get that chest to the floor, and bring it on up and going hop back at the top as well. If you want to step it out, you can step it out, break it down if you need to. Alrighty, let's get started here. Burpees in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, team, let's see who can get the most burpees here. There you go. Oh, we high-five here. There we go. Yeah, y'all gotta have fun with it. Notice how Coach Rachel's getting her chest fully to the floor here, getting that full hop here. Let's go, Courtney. How you feeling? Yeah, we're just getting started here. Good work, team. Just 10 seconds left. As many as you can. Try to get 1 per second here. You got this. 5 seconds left. Come on. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, 1 down. We starting strong. Nice work, Coach Rachel. Nice work, Courtney. Second round. Burpees. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Again, if you need to, you can always walk it out. Just get that full burpee going. You could even take out the push-up if you need to. It's all about moving your body here. Let's go, Coach Ivana. You looking great. Let's go, girl. Woo, Coach Jake. He's the only guy here, and he is pushing it. 10 seconds left. Woo, let's go. Let's give me 2 more here. All the way, chest to the floor each time. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, halfway done with those burpees. Nice work. Keep it up. Nice job, Courtney. Woo. Nice go. Alrighty, 3, 2, 1. Second to last set. Let's go. Again, remember, if you need to, always about listening to your body. We are just getting started here. So if you need to take those push-ups from the floor, if you need to walk out those burpees, take it 1 step at a time, you totally can. It's all about you today. 10 seconds left. Come on. Second to last set with these burpees. You got this. Push all the way, team. You got 5. 2 more burpees here. 3, 2, 1. Y'all got 30 burpees?
Yeah.
Hey, I knew it. Alrighty, team. Last set with these burpees. Let's finish it up here. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Burpees. Woo! Notice that everyone is still getting their chest to the floor. It doesn't matter how your momentum's going as long as you're doing these burpees. That is all. We love burpees here at Fit Body Boot Camp. If you want to know more how to do them, go ahead and follow us and click the link on the screen here. 10 seconds left. Come on. There you go. 3 more burpees here. All the way. Don't stop till that timer does. Let's go, team. You got this. Last burpee. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, burpees are done. Nice work, team. Now to work out these boulder shoulders, we have a half kneeling single arm overhead press. So go ahead and grab a dumbbell, a water bottle, a can, whatever you can. You're going to take a knee here, whichever knee's on the floor. You'll go ahead and start with 1 dumbbell on your shoulder here, and then from here you'll press all the way up and over your head, and nice and slow on the release. So this is all about that control here. Because you are half kneeling, you'll have more stability, so you can challenge yourself to go even stronger. We'll go ahead and do 1 side per set here. Alrighty, team, we're getting started in 5, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Straight to it. Nice work. Notice as Coach Jake here, he is all about that control, getting it fully over his head here and slow on that release. Nice work. Way to get it up and over your head, Coach Ivana. How you feeling?
Amazing.
Ooh, you look good too, girl. There you go, Coach Rachel. Nice work. Look at these boulders. She'll be working them every day. 10 seconds, team. There you go, Courtney. Look at that. It's always working out with a big smile on her face. That's what you should be doing too, team. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, shake it off. Switch legs. Remember, whichever knee is on the floor, same arm has that weight. Be back in 3, 2, 1. Righty, second set. Your first arm gets rest here. Now it's time to even it out. Work out that other arm. Work out that other shoulder. There you go. Nice control, Courtney. There you go. Way to breathe it out. If you want to focus on your breathing, inhale as you're coming down, exhale as you're bringing it on up. Again, you are in control of each and every exercise. They do not control you. So what you put in is what you'll get out of it. 5 seconds, team. Nice work. Almost halfway through this exercise. 3, 2, 1. Shake it off. Switch legs. We are halfway through this move. Now it's time to level up. You can grab a heavier weight if you need to, or even go 3, 2, 1. Go even slower if you want. So team, try to go a little bit slower on that release here. Good. So look, as they all did that, they took that challenge and they did it. Nice work, team. Try to get about 6, 7 reps here. Let's go, 15 seconds. Nice work, y'all. Come on, we in this together. All the way, good. Keep controlling it nice and slow. 10 more seconds. Last time on this arm. You got this. You got 5, 3, 2, 1. Reset, all right. Last one on this move. And we moving on. 5 seconds. Take a deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Nice push. There you go. Again, challenge yourself. If you don't have heavier weights, again, go as slow as you can on that way down. Keep focusing on your breathing. When you focus on your breathing, it takes away the pain just a little bit. But hey, no pain, no gain, right, team? Right. Yeah, you got 10 seconds left. Last time here. Come on, give me 3 more good ones. Yeah, 5 more. Good work. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, get rid of that. Now time to work our hamstring. Coach Rachel's favorite. We got some kettlebell RDLs. So go ahead and grab a medium to heavy kettlebell here. You're gonna grab the top of the kettlebell. I want you to roll those shoulders back. And then from here, I want you to bring those hips down, forward back, and then bring it back on up. So again, keeping that nice neutral spine. Once you pass your knees, you should feel a good stretch behind your thighs here. All right, you do 15 seconds. Take a little break till we get back on it. How are we feeling? So good. All righty, let's get it. Kettlebell RDLs. In 5, 3, 2, 1. Straight to it. So notice that's Coach Rachel Hill. She has a nice neutral spine. She has her chin tucked here, sending her hips back like she's closing the door behind her. So you should be feeling that stretch behind your thighs, on your hamstring here. Again, nice and slow on that way down, a little more explosive on that way up. There you go. Nice work, team. Again, breathe through it. Focus on your breathing as you're working here. Let's go. You got 5 more seconds. Woo. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, team. 1 down, 3 to go. Take a big deep breath because we're back. In 3, 2, 1. Straight to it. Woo, Jake, you got a heavier kettlebell. Let's go, Jake. Show these girls what y'all made of. Nice job.
They got me on this one.
How you feeling?
Feeling great.
There you go. You're doing great. Way to keep that chin tuck and that nice neutral spine here. Beautiful. 15. Way to breathe through it. There you go, Ivana. How you feeling, Courtney?
Fantastic.
Good. Beautiful form. Let's go. You got 5, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, team. Halfway through these RDLs. I know it's a quick break, but you got this. We're in it together. 3, 2, 1. Round number 3, y'all. Good. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, if you don't have a heavier kettlebell or a heavier weight, just like we did with the overhead press, you can go real slow on the way down and nice explosive on the way up, like these ladies in the front are doing, nice and beautifully. There you go, team. Come on. 10 more seconds. You got this. We are almost halfway there, and y'all are doing amazing. I know you're doing amazing back home. Let's go. We in it to win it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, shake it off. All right, last time with these RDLs. Let's go, Coach Rachel. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Last set, best set here, team. Come on, don't not sell yourself short. I want you all to always try your best. Work past that timer each and every time. When you're in these workouts, you have no excuses. You can be home doing this. We are here in the rain. I don't know if it's raining there, but we are here working through it, helping you through it here. 10 seconds. Nice work, team. Come on, last one here. Give me a couple more good ones. You got 5, 3, 2, 1. We are done with that move. Now time to get explosive. One of my favorite moves. We have a 4 ball slams to 2 over the shoulder toss. So with this one, I want you to start with the ball in between the arches of your feet. I want you to squat down, pick it up over your head, use your legs as momentum to smash it to the floor 4 times. If you're feeling stressed, take that stress out on these balls. Once you get those out of the way, you're gonna pick it up, toss it over your shoulder, and then making sure you go that same way back. So you do that same momentum. So 4, 2, that whole time. Again, take whatever stress you're feeling out on this move. You got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Yes, this is the sound I love to hear. Notice as the coaches here, they are starting and ending in a squat, keeping their chest nice and proud. And you're going again that same way with that shoulder toss. Beautiful job, team. We are almost there. Keep pushing, take all that stress out. Try to break these balls here. 10 seconds. Good work, y'all. Woo! You got 5. Nice work. 3, 2, 1. Quick breather. Round number 2 coming up. Again, you know these are short breaks, but we're straight back to it in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, team. All right, try a little harder this time. Good. Ending and starting in a squat. Again, power is all through your legs. What I don't want is for you to stand and slam the ball. I want you to really use your legs here like the whole team is doing. You get that little break with that over the shoulder toss before you go back into those slams. There you go, team. Come on, 10 more seconds. And we're halfway through this move. Nice work, y'all. You got 5, 3, 2, 1. Woo, shake it off, team. 2 more. You got this. Alrighty, we back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, let's go. Come on back home. I know y'all are in this. We are one big, happy, fit family in here to win it. Whatever goal you may have, know each and every rep in here is going towards your goal. Just like each and every one of us, we all have our different goals, but every rep in here is going towards them. Let's go, team. Keep pushing. Come on, second to last set here. 10 seconds. Beautiful job, Ivana. Yeah, look at that power through the legs. Come on, Jake, you got this. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, last one here, y'all. Finish it. We back in 5. Last set, best set. 3, 2, 1. Again, whatever anger you're feeling, take it out here. Leave it on the mat. That's what we like to say here at Fit Body Boot Camp. And if you want to find out how, go on our website, fitbodybootcamp.com, because I know there's some near you. Let's go, team. You can get a free workout in. Let's go. Final 10, team. Come on. Final time here. You got it, y'all. Slam all the way. Past that timer. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Nice job, team. Alrighty. Last but not least, here we have some slider hamstring curls. If you don't have these fancy sliders, you can use your socks or a towel on the mat. I want you to lay on your back here, and then I want your heels down, toes up, and then from here, go ahead and get your glutes up and try to keep them up as you slide all the way out and all the way back in. However, if you want to, you can go ahead and do 1 foot at a time, or if you need even more support, you can go ahead and lay all the way down, curl back, and then reset and repeat. Alrighty, team, last exercise, let's go. 3, 2, 1. And I know this may seem a little easier because we're laying down, but no, you will feel it. If you feel yourself starting to cramp up as you're doing this, that means you are doing correctly. So let it burn so good. 20 seconds, team. There you go. Good. Notice this Coach Jake here. He is doing 1 leg at a time, but he's keeping his hips up nice and high, keeping his toes up as well. There you go. Do you feel burned? Oh, yeah. Good. 5 seconds. Woo, let's go, team. Come on. We only got 3, 2, 1. Beautiful job. 3 more sets left to go. Workout almost complete, y'all. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Notice as Coach Rachel here, she has really great control, keeping her hips up, and she's breathing through it as she's doing it. Nice work, Coach Rachel. There you go, Courtney. How you feeling back there, Ivana? Yeah, let it burn, girl. Let it burn. 10 seconds. Beautiful, y'all. Come on, team. We're almost there. Nice job. You got 5 seconds left. Make him count. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, shake it off. Stretch out those hammies real quick. Got 2 more left, team. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. There we go, straight to it. I know you at back home, you're straight to it too. Don't let the burning sensation or stop you from getting this work in. Beautiful job, there you go. Keep those hips up, squeeze your cheeks like your life depends on it at the top. Come on, we are almost there. There you go. Woo, 10 seconds. Give me a couple more good sets, team. Beautiful job, 5 left. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, team. Last set. Yeah, let's go. Come on, one big happy family. Let's finish it together. 3, 2, 1. Remember, breathe through it. Final 30 seconds of work. You did not come this far to sell yourself short. You came this far to finish the job, and we are all here together. Like I said, one team, one family. We started together. We worked together, and we're all about to end together. Final 15, team. Come on, you got this. Finish it all the way now. Give me as many as you can. These final 10. Let's go, y'all. Looking good. Alrighty, team. We're right here. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Workout complete. Woo! Nice job, y'all. Alrighty. Good job. Thank you for joining us for another one. We'll see you next time. Have fun.
Great job crushing that awesome workout with us. I know we had a great time with you guys, but if you're anything like us, you're probably a little sore, probably a little tight after a workout like that. Well, don't worry, we got you covered. Click the link somewhere around me in this video or click the link in the description and find our awesome mobility and stretching session.